NEXPOW Battery Jump Starter. Powerful lifesaver. This NEXPOW car jump starter has enough power, 2500 A peak current, to jumpstart most 12-volt vehicles on the road. Up to 8.0 liters gas or 8 liters diesel engines. This NEXPOW car jump starter works with cars, motorcycles, watercraft, ATVs, UTVs, SUVs, lawnmowers, yachts, boats, pickup, snowmobiles, etc. Safety protection and low maintenance. The jump starter comes with UL 2743 standard certification and the intelligent clamp of safety protection technologies, namely high temperature, reverse connection, low temperature, overload, low voltage, overcharge, over discharge, short circuit. Also, the jump starter gets fully charged in about 6 hours. When not in use, just turn off the main switch and the device can hold the charge for more than 3 months. 4 LED modes, not just a car battery jump starter. The NEXPOW jump starter comes equipped with a very bright LED functioning as an emergency flashlight. The blue-red alternate light can function as a traffic hazard warning signal in the event of an accident. 4 modes, spotlight/strobe/SOS, and red-blue warning. Emergency charging 3.0, with the new generation dual USB 5V/3A, 9V/2A, 15V/1.5A output, which is compatible with almost all USB charging devices, including phones and tablets, can quickly charge with our quick charge port, which is 1.8x faster than the standard port. Upgraded technology, with the same battery capacity, especially in extremely cold weather, our new quick discharge start power jump starter has 3 to 5 times enhanced current compared to the old second generation. What's included? NEXPOW Q98 car battery starter, smart jumper cables, USB Type-C cable, cigarette lighter socket adapter, user manual, carrying case.